It's contagious, but there's more to yawning that you think. And it's not just about being sleepy. Yawning might help your brain stay alert and even connect with others.
So next time you yawn, remember, you're giving your brain a refresh and sharing a little connection with
Learn something cool today? Share it with us. Email your fun facts, tips, or educational tricks, and you might be featured in our next video.